I want to show you how to take a DICOM 3D print a model to make sure that your surgical guide fits before the day of surgery. Open up a 3D scan, click on our DICOM to STL conversion tool. Make the adjustments you need. Then we'll import that into Vision X. As you can see, there's a lot of adjustments that you can make, as many or as little as you would like. When you're done, import it into the software. Then open up the Rayware software or any third-party printing software. It will import the STL. Then you can create the supports and then print. That's it. All to make sure that your patient's surgical guide fits properly before the day of surgery.